Welcome back, everybody. This is Top Crypto Bull, and I have a few bullish articles I wanted to share with you guys today. Let's start off with this article about a British Parliament member named Matt Hancock. The headline states like this: British MP calls for liberal crypto regulations. He says no country can stop this revolution. Basically, I'll summarize this article for you guys. This British Parliament member, Matt Hancock, he is very bullish on cryptocurrency, and he basically thinks that no country can stop this revolution. We can only choose whether it happens on our shores or happens to us from elsewhere. Um, Basically, he thinks that it is the job of regulators to make sure there is high quality information and that the market functions effectively. He basically advocates crypto and he is very bullish on it. I mean, he says the underlying technology is so powerful just because the dot-com bubble crashed in 2001, we didn't discredit the internet as technology. So basically, this guy Hancock, he's really advocating cryptocurrency for the British Parliament. And just also last month, the British government unveiled plans to support crypto adoption. So I mean, the UK is really pushing crypto adoption. So that's really good, for us that we love cryptocurrency. And also, the UK wants to become a global crypto hub. They want to regulate stablecoins, and they even want to mint NFTs for the royal family. So I mean, that's pretty good for us. I mean, the more crypto gets mass adopted, the better for us, and the higher the price goes on our favorite cryptos, and that translates for more money for us. So that's the first article I wanted to share with you guys. The second article is about Salvadorian president, where he's also very bullish on crypto, and the headline says like this: Salvadorian president to Bitcoin investors. Your Bitcoin investment is safe. It will immensely grow after the bear market. Um, the president of El Salvador has some advice for Bitcoin investors. He believes investments in the largest cryptocurrency, he means Bitcoin, are safe and will immensely grow after the bear market. So the president of El Salvador's name is Nayib Bukele. And in case you guys don't know, El Salvador is in Central America. It's a small little country, very small. Um, but I mean, they actually did a very smart move. I guess this president is pretty smart because he made Bitcoin legal tender in his country. So I mean, according to this article, El Salvador has purchased 2,301 Bitcoins since the country made a Bitcoin legal tender. And even though Bitcoin has lost over 50% of its value since they bought it, he doesn't seem anxious about it. He basically says, I see that some people are worried or anxious about the Bitcoin market price. But his advice to these people is stop looking at the graph and enjoy life. If you invested in Bitcoin, your investment is safe and its value will immensely grow after the bear market. Patience is the key. So, I mean, that's good advice, I think, from Bukele. And so, I mean, I just wanted to share this article with you because it's very bullish on Bitcoin and crypto currency in general. Just in case you're having doubts and you're worried, because Bitcoin is down right now, in case, you're seeing your portfolio, go down and see the red. Don't worry, it'll go back up, you know. I mean, according to, Bukele and even Michael Saylor, you know, Michael Saylor thinks Bitcoin's gonna skyrocket to $1 million pretty soon. But hopefully it'll just at least make 100K, the next bull run. So let's go on to the next article. Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirms he'll keep buying and supporting Dogecoin. Well, we all love the Doge father, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. He's committed to Dogecoin. He's been tweeting about Dogecoin, and of course, that's why the Dogecoin has been going up lately. In his latest tweet, Elon Musk says, "I will keep supporting Dogecoin," and he also says that he is buying Dogecoin. So that's excellent. I like Dogecoin. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, the two top meme coins, they're very popular, and I think they're not going anywhere. I know a lot of people think the meme coins aren't going to make it, and I think most of them are not. But I think Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are definitely here to stay. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you, and let's go on to the next article I want to share with you guys. Kevin O'Leary says he won't sell any crypto despite downturn. You just have to stomach it, he says. In case you guys don't know, Kevin O'Leary is a star from the show Shark Tank. He's also known as Mr. Wonderful, and he says he's not selling any of his cryptocurrencies despite the crypto market downturn. He says, long term, you just have to stomach it. You have to understand you'll get volatility. Another one of his quotes is, I'm not selling anything. Long term, you just have to stomach it. You have to understand you'll get volatility and that some projects aren't going to work. He holds 32 positions of digital assets. So this guy is very bullish on cryptocurrency too. Another one of his quotes is, there's been a big correction in the market, but you've got to hold your nose and get used to the volatility. Well, just wanted to share these articles with you guys. How do you guys feel about the cryptocurrency? Me, myself, I'm very bullish on it. Just wanted to share with you guys because the last video I made, there was some FUD that China was running that, Bitcoin's going to go down to zero. But just wanted to share this, from these important people, politician, Matt Hancock from the British Parliament, Salvadorian president, um, saying that, don't worry, Bitcoin's going to skyrocket after the bear market. A CEO from Tesla and SpaceX, multi-billionaire Elon Musk, the Doge father, he's also bullish on cryptocurrency. He says he's bought Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum himself, so he's definitely bullish on those three currencies. And Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary, he's not selling any of his cryptocurrency. So these are pretty important people, you know, in the mainstream. We got a politician, a president of a country, multi-billionaire, Doge father Elon Musk, and a Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary. They're all very bullish on it, and I'm sure they have some kind of inside information, so they're sticking with their cryptocurrency. Even in the downturn, they're not selling off. They're waiting for the bull run, and well, they'll make a lot of money. And that's what I'm waiting for too. I'm waiting for the next bull run, and we all should be holding our cryptos and not selling off right now. You know, I, I've been hearing about a lot of people, worried and selling off their cryptos, but you should just be buying more on the dips, and getting more tokens, getting more coins right now that everything's on sale. So the more you have on the next bull run, the more you'll make. Well, just wanted to share those bullish articles with you guys. And now let's go to our top 20 crypto report. Well, let's start off first with the overall market cap. The market cap right now as we speak, it's 962.64 billion. And just to let you guys know, right now it is Monday, June 27, 4:40 a.m. Pacific time. So all the numbers I'm gonna give you right now is as of right now when I'm making the video. So that's the market cap. Again, I'll repeat it. The global crypto market cap is 0.64 billion, and it is 0.17% down from the last 24 hours. The 24-hour volume is 53 trillion, a little bit over $53 trillion, and Bitcoin still holding dominance. It's 42.5% dominance over all the cryptocurrency, and Ethereum dominance is 15.5%. All right, and let's go to our father coin, which is Bitcoin, and the current price right now is 21,431 and 34 cents. It's only 0.05% up in the 24-hour, and the last 7 days is up 2.54%. Basically, there hasn't been that much movement today at all, or the last 24 hours. It's very slight movement up, some went down. Ethereum coming in at number 2 is at 1232.91. Slight movement of 0.83 in the last 24 hours. Last 7 days is 6.60%. Tether is at 99 cents, so that's great. No, hardly any movement there, and that's what we want in stable coins. The USD coin, USDC, also is at $1, so that's perfect. The BNB coin, the BNB cryptocurrency is at 239.73, and very slight movement there too. Only 0.12% gain in the last 24 hours, and 11.02% gain in the last 7 days. Coming in at number 6, we got XRP coming in at 36 cents. Very slight movement downwards, 0.35%. And on the 7 days, it's still up 11.76% in the last 7 days. And next up, we got Binance BUSD. That's Binance stablecoin coming in at number 7. And that's at $1. So that's perfect. And next, we got Cardano coming in at number 8, ADA. Right now, as we speak, it's at 50 cents. Very slight movement downwards, 2.14% in the last 24 hours going down. And the last 7 days is at 1.55% increase. Coming in at number 9, we got Solana, and it's sitting right now as we speak at $40.87. Very slight movement upwards at 0.02% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days is 13.72% gain. And at number 10, we got Dogecoin, the top meme coin, and it's at 0.07 cents, basically 7 cents. And this one's got pretty good gains still. It went up 9.32% in the last 24 hours. It must be because of the Elon Musk endorsement. When the Doge father speaks, the Dogecoin always goes up. Remember that, guys. If you hear Elon Musk tweet or say anything about Dogecoin, you know it's going to go up a little bit. So get prepared for short-term trades when that happens. And coming in at number 11. Oh yeah, I don't know if I said 7-day Dogecoin has gains of 27.53% in the 7-day gain. So that's pretty good for Dogecoin still. Coming in at number 11, we got Polkadot, DOT, sitting at $8.18 as we speak. And it's very slight movement downward of 0.31% the last 24 hours. And the last 7 days, it's got a upward movement of 3.46%. Coming in at number 12, we got DAI, DAI, $1. Perfect. So we don't want that to move at all. Coming in at number 13, Tron, TRX, is at 6 cents. Slight movement of 7.88% in the last 24 hours, and 13.46% in the last 7 days. Wow, and Tron overtook Shiba Inu for the 13th spot. They're battling out. Shiba Inu coming in at 14. SHIB is sitting at 0.00001156. Basically, 0.40 is 1156. And very slight movement for Shiba Inu today. In the last 24 hours, it only moved 1.69 downwards, but still has pretty good gains in the last 7 days of 39.72%. So I guess Tron and Shiba Inu are battling out for the 13th spot. Tron beat it just barely. The market cap for Tron is 6 billion 464,852 million dollars. Wait a minute, am I reading that right? Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Let me repeat that again. So the market cap for Tron is 6,464,852,089 dollars, and the market cap for Shiba Inu is 6,345,496,963 dollars. So I mean that's pretty close. They're only off like about a little bit over a million. Tron is above Shiba Inu, so they'll be battling out the next few days. Coming in at 15 is Avalanche AVAX, sitting at $21.20 as we speak. It's up 0.65% in the last 24 hours, but still good gain in the last 7 days of 20.73%. And coming in at number 16, we got Wrap Bitcoin, WBTC, at 21,413 and 53 cents. It's slight gains again, 0.03% in the last 24 hours and 2.85% in the last 7 days. Then we got number 17, LEO, coming in at $5.90. Very slight movement downwards of 0.14%, and still a little bit of gain, 9.20% in the last 7 days. And number 18, we still have Polygon, Matic, still pretty good gains from the last 7 days, 47.15% in the last 7 days. The price as we speak right now is 59 cents. And the last 24 hours, it did have a slight movement downwards of 2.95%. And coming in at number 19 is Uniswap, UNI. Price right now as we speak is $5.86. Very slight movement upwards of 5.19% in the last 24 hours, but still good overall in the last 7 days of 37.33% gains. And I guess Uniswap overtook Litecoin for the number 19 spot from yesterday. They were, they were backwards yesterday. Litecoin was at 19, Uniswap was at 20, but today Uniswap comes in at 19 and Litecoin comes in at number 20, LTC Litecoin. And Litecoin is sitting right now at 58.06. So the price for Litecoin right now is $58.06. Very slight movement for Litecoin today. Last 24 hours is 0.88% downwards, and very little bit of gains the last 7 days, 8.15%, but that's still green, so that's pretty good.